DJ Fresh, make the line of the place. DJ Fresh, best DJ Caribbean boy. Pull up selector, wanna be up on my name. Where my gangs, this nigga. But y'all, DJ Fresh, pull it me.
The other night, they said it's gonna be right there. But when we were at the party, I was disappointed. All we could hear there was the cardio. All we could hear there was the shooby-doo. And the music they played there was not good for a Rastaman, was not good for any jumpman. And now every guy's been to my roots, reggae music is all I need. I'm going back to my roots, reggae music is all that I need. I'm going back to my roots, reggae music is all that I need.
DJ Fresh, with my shit like
woman will understand me. I have gone right round.
Where you fucking were? DJ Fresh and the building, man. Okay, shapo, baba.
All the woman I had before never understood me. Now that I find you, baby, I ain't gonna look no further. Now that I find you, baby, I ain't gonna look no further. Now that I found you, baby, I ain't gonna look no further. It's so nice when you're there. So nice, so nice. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright.
DJ Fresh, with my shit like
Baby, you know how much I need you, baby. Please never leave me, baby. Never leave you. Every guy's been
DJ Fresh, Rich Boy.
Ayo, ayo. 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 tell them was that Chaka. All we could tell them was that Shooby-Dooby, yeah.
DJ Fresh with
And
Machine
the
Gun.
music they played, there was no good for the Rasta man, yeah. It was no good for the nation man. And now every gas spin a roll. I'm going back on it.
DJ Fresh with Machine Gun.
C'est quoi ça là?
Now that you got what you wanted, you don't even know my name. It's so funny, we don't talk anymore. Be good to the people on your way up the ladder, 'cause you need them on your way down. That's the way it is. 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 Oh,
DJ Fresh, best DJ Caribbean boy. Pull up selector. Wanna big up on my niggas. Where my gangsters niggas. Bad girl, DJ Fresh, fully create.
I guess I can pat myself on the shoulder for a job well done. Dodging bullets in the streets, I was there, risking rejection from my own people. Now that you got what you wanted, you don't even know my name. Remember, be good to the
DJ
people on your way
Fresh
up the
with
ladder,
Machine Gun.
them on your way down. That's the way. The way it is, yeah. That's the way it is. That's the way it is. That's the way it Didn't know she was trying until now as she turns to look at me. She said, boy, oh boy, you bring tears to my eyes. I said, what? She said, boy, oh boy, you bring tears to my eyes. Bob Marley said, how long shall they kill our prophets? While we stand aside and look. But little did he know that eventually the enemy will stand aside and look. While we slept and kill our brothers, knowing that already they are the victims of the situation. Still licking wounds from brutality. Still licking wounds from humiliation.
Where you fucking were? DJ Fresh and the Billy. Okay, sharp,
Perfect trade for the change that you deserve.
Michelle back at the job at DJ Fresh. DJ Fresh with Mashika.
Every time I say I'm going, I can see you gonna cry. Every time I say I wanna go, I can tell
DJ Fresh,
Rich
boy.
Thinking of the lonely
DJ
nights.
Fresh, best DJ Caribbean boy. Full of selector. When the big up on my name, we are my gangsters niggas. Bad girl, DJ Fresh, bullet create.
Thousands of people wanna see me. Millions are waiting for the message. I say billions are dying for the message. I am going around the world spreading the message. I'm going around the world spreading the word. Don't try
C'est quoi ça là?
DJ Fresh with my shit on it.
My
Bingy man, don't give up. Bongo man, live up. Yeah. Bongo man, don't give up. David slew Goliath with a sling and a stone. Samson slew the Philistine with a donkey jawbone. I am man liver, Rasta man don't give up. Bingy man liver, yeah. Congo man don't give up.
DJ Fresh with my shit on the go.
Where you fucking were? DJ Fresh and the building, huh? Okay, shabu, babu.
It's been a long, long time together since I've got you on my mind. And now you are here, I said it's okay.
gangsters niggas. Bad girl, DJ Fresh, bullet create.
Feel alright. Saying, let's get together and feel alright. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let them all pass all their dirty remarks. One love. There is one question I'd really love to ask. One heart. Is there a place for the hopeless sinners who has hurt all mankind? Just save his soul, believe. One love. What about a one heart?
Une pensée pour les déprimés, oppressés, les opprimés, ceux qui veulent décompresser. Je ne reste pas maudit. Pour ralentir ceux qui sont pressés, stressés, pour dépêcher ceux qui ne veulent pas s'empresser. Un béret pas molli. C'est une chanson pour les prisonniers, qu'ils reprennent goût à la vie et la chantent lorsqu'ils s'ennuient. Pour les malades et les blessés, apaise leurs mots avec ces quelques mots et cette mélodie. Pour les sans-abri et les affamés, les orphelins et les paralysés, les victimes de la drogue et les prostituées. Une pensée pour les déprimés, oppressés, les opprimés, ceux qui veulent décompresser. Qu'un béret pas molli. Pour ralentir ceux qui sont pressés, stressés, pour dépêcher ceux qui ne veulent pas s'empresser. Un béret pas molli.
Soldat jazz, trompette la sonnette. Soldat jazz, c'est jodi à pas de mer. Dernière bataille a commencé. Ban y a brûlé. Ou yo choisi un peu. Et ou frère, nan qui kan wap ye. Et ou frère, nan qui kan wap ye. Soldat jazz, trompette la sonnette. Soldat jazz, c'est jodi à pas de mer.
DJ Fresh, with
Soldat
my shit
jazz,
on.
trompette la sonnette. Soldat jazz, c'est jodi à pas demain. On va un chef nous rassembler. Mêler l'éternel des armées. Et un drapeau n'a porté. Il fait trou, adoré. Il fait trou. Charlene, nous camper, convoquer, envoler. Rastaman levé, Nati Jet campé, Samba yo relé, Samba yo chanté.
C'est quoi ça là?
Timoun y a prié, Timoun y a prié,
DJ Fresh,
Timoun y a prié. Oh non, 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 yeah. De jour en jour, oui, de jour en jour, bagaille au vin fiti. Vision met violence côte à brale. C'est prophétie qu'a pas accompli. L'ité dit t'est écrit oh 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 oh. Amre les dia dia. Oh gaïa. Si moun y a prié. Olé. Moun y a prié ça qu'a passé là. Oh yo. Si moun y a prié. Oh non 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 yeah. Comme on y a prélé, ça qu'a passé là. Nèg yo passé en haut, yo crasé, yo allé. Sans yo pas même penser que c'est peuple qui
I didn't mean to end his life, I know it wasn't right. I can't even sleep and I can't get it out my mind. I need to get out of sight, but I end up behind bars. What started out as a simple altercation turns into a real sticky situation. Me just thinking on the time that I'm facing makes me wanna cry. Cause I didn't mean to hurt him. Could have been somebody's son. And I took his heart when I pulled out that gun. Rum pa pa pum, rum pa pa pum, rum pa pa pum.
DJ Fresh.
Rum pa pa pum, rum pa pa pum, rum pa pa pum.